In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Foxit Reader on Windows. Whether you're making space for new software or just tidying up your system, it's important to know how to properly remove programs you no longer need. Let's dive into this step-by-step process to ensure a smooth and complete uninstallation experience. First, let's navigate to the Start menu. You'll find it nestled comfortably in the bottom left corner of your screen, a familiar spot for launching apps or finding files. Once you've clicked on the Start menu, look for the Settings icon. It's the little gear symbol that you might have seen before when adjusting things like system preferences or your display settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice at the top there's a search bar waiting for you to type in your query. Input, add, or remove programs into this search bar. This search will guide you directly to the list of all the programs currently installed on your computer. It's an incredibly handy way to manage your software. As the list populates in front of you, move over to the search bar located at the top of that list. Here you'll want to type in Foxit to narrow down the results to Foxit Reader specifically. It saves you from scrolling through potentially hundreds of entries to find exactly what you're looking for. When you see Foxit Reader appear in the list below, take a look to the right side. You'll notice 3 dots sitting there, seemingly waiting for you to take action. Click on those dots and you'll be presented with a few different options. Among these options, you'll see Uninstall. Click on Uninstall to initiate the removal process. From this point, Windows might prompt you to confirm your choice or perhaps ask for permission to proceed. Don't worry, this is just a standard security measure to make sure you really want to uninstall the program. Confirm this by clicking Yes or Uninstall and allow the process to continue. The computer will begin the uninstallation of Foxit Reader. This could take a few moments, so feel free to sit back and relax while Windows does its thing. Once the process is complete, Foxit Reader will be removed from your system, freeing up space and resources for whatever comes next. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you keep your system running smoothly and clutter-free. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy computing, everyone!